Ready?
Yeah.
I like that.
Oops.
It just let me teleport down, that was weird.
Yay, tunk!
Yeep!
It's letting me teleport down, that's weird.
Goodbye! Oh wait, can't put it behind my back because I don't got a third sensor. Like usually I put it behind my back and now this.
Yeah, maybe everybody surely go.
It's like always up everybody.
Ooh, this is cool.
Mine's not done yet. Mine's this one. Wait, what? Every single one of these teleports you somewhere, I think. So you got Rusty. Actually, we should all visit Rusty's data space because he upgraded it and it's some freaking cool.
Oh yeah, stand on the platform.
Whoa, so weird.
Yeah, just wait
This is Rusty's data space.
Oh, look at the little robots working inside there.
You can open it. I can't do that with my Oculus.
Yeah. Desktop.
Now whenever somebody waves at me, I'm just gonna do this.